Hi guys, some of you have asked me the question whether this TV is actually a 4K TV or not. So today I'm going to show you a small experiment to determine if this TV is actually a 4K TV. So let's see how we are going to do this experiment. So I am going to create an image that has the 4K resolution. That is, the image I am going to create is 3840 pixels wide and 2160 pixels high. In other words, this is the standard 4K resolution. The basic idea is that if your TV is really 4K, when we open this image on the TV, the image should perfectly fit on the TV screen. Now we will create this image. I am using Adobe Photoshop for this purpose. There is nothing fancy here. Set the image size from the menu item image. As you can see, the image size is set to the 4K resolution, 3840 pixels wide and 2160 pixels high. One important feature is the border you see here. The border tells us whether the image is fitting the screen perfectly or not. Keep the border as narrow as possible. I put some text in the middle just for fun. Now save the image to USB drive as a JPEG image. So let's plug the USB drive into the TV. Now let's go to the USB drive. Okay, this is a USB drive. Okay, now let's open up the image and see if the image fits the TV screen. Okay, as you can see, the image fits perfectly on the TV screen. So these are the edges, and just as we expected, the image is fitting the TV screen perfectly. So thus proving that this TV is actually a 4K TV as they sell it. So you can use this technique to verify or determine if any TV or monitor is actually a 4K TV or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any questions, please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.